model, 2013 Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDi 435 L3H2130X Ambulance Camper Project Full MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 157777. MOT, the 18th of January 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 4 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition and has loads of potential to be turned into a camper, genuine honest work van ready to drive away. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.